Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.1 with Cydia. No computer is required for this, guys. This is 100% untethered. This is working on all versions of iOS and all iOS devices, guys. It's super easy to do, so I'm just going to pop open this Cydia app, guys, and show you it's got all the features you need. So check this out, guys. This is fully loaded. It's fully functional, 100% working. And like I said, it is working on all iOS devices. I've tested it on the iPhone XS, iPhone 12, 12 Pro. This is a brand new iPhone 12 running 14.4.1. I'll show you guys. I'm on 14.4.1 in a sec here. So as you guys can see, this is the real deal, guys. This is the only way to jailbreak iOS 14.4.1 flawlessly. So check this out, guys. Check out my settings. So as you guys can see, I am on 14.4.1 on iPhone 12. This is super awesome, guys. It's super easy to do, so just follow along with me and I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you guys want to do is go to Safari and go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, there's the website, guys. Make sure you guys get that typed in. And so basically from here we're just going to download the Cydia installer profile, which will allow you to jailbreak your iOS 14.4.1 device. Okay, so just make sure to get this link typed in. Okay, and make sure you guys use Safari, guys. This only works on Safari. Okay, so yeah, just get that website typed in. I'll show you guys exactly what to do from there. Okay, so click the go button. All right, and now it's going to say this website is trying to download profile. Just go ahead and click allow, click close. Now we're going to open our settings up and it should say profile downloaded right here. So you just want to click on profile downloaded, click install. Okay, type in your passcode real quick. All right, and next, install. Okay, boom. So basically I just updated my Cydia installer profile. Now as you guys can see, just give it a second to load here, but it's currently in shell mode. Okay, and to get out of shell mode you basically just have to complete the installation instructions. So it's not fully installed yet, guys, but to complete the installation, it's very easy. I'll just explain that to you guys real quick. So to start the installation process, just click on any of the features here. Okay, so we'll click manage account. Okay, so as you guys can see, it says installation required. So basically to finish the installation, just click on the start injection button, and from there it's super simple. Basically it's going to take you to the installation wizard. When you get to the installation wizard, you have to basically install a few apps and do their exact instructions, because basically what the developers did was they hid the files for Cydia, for the Cydia jailbreak for iOS 14.4.1 within these apps, and basically when you install the apps and do their exact instructions, it initiates a break in the code which begins transferring the files for the jailbreak over to your device. So guys, when you're doing it, make sure to do exactly what each individual app's instructions say. Okay, follow the instructions very carefully, guys. Be very patient with it, and guys, basically within 30 minutes of completing the installation properly, the Cydia should load. Basically it'll go back to the original app I showed you with all the features working. If it doesn't load within 30 minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back and do it over again. So basically install more apps, do their exact instructions, leave them open for a bit longer to make sure the files all get transferred over. Guys, if it's still not working, just honestly, when you guys are doing it, just install all of the apps on the installation wizard. I wouldn't even bother with installing a couple. Just install all the apps, do their exact instructions, just be patient with it, guys, and it will work. So guys, that's how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.1. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.